Hello everyone. If you're wondering how to delete a YouTube channel and wanting to do so, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. For that, you can just head over and sign into a YouTube. So go to YouTube app, or you can even go to youtube.com for that, and go ahead and access account and log in with the account linked to the channel you want to delete. So once you are logged in, you should be finding this home interface where you can look out for your suggested videos and everything. And apart from that, you should be finding shorts, plus, and subscriptions and your profile in the dashboard. You can tap on your profile icon in the top, in the bottom right corner. And once you find your profile here, you will be finding, you will be finding your profile page right here with your history and playlist and everything. You may directly look out for Google account and tap on it. And once you tap on Google account, you may go over and find the option called data and privacy on your screen from the given menu and select it. And once you select data and privacy, you may just scroll to the given options like this and scroll until you find the option for deleting a Google service. So find the section for download or delete your data on your screen. And once you find it up, select the option for deleting a Google service. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you will be given this option. Before that, you need to verify yourself. So go on with the verification process and complete up the verification for yourself. Just go ahead and do so. And there you may select the option for YouTube. So find the YouTube and look out for the delete option right beside it and tap on it. And once you do, it will give you option to hide or delete your content from YouTube. If you'd like to hide your channel, you can select the option called hide channel. But if you'd like to delete, if you're sure that you want to delete your account, you can choose the option I want to permanently delete my content and tap on it. After that, it will say these are the following data that will be deleted. So you can confirm, check mark it. And if you have any kind of paid subscription, you can even cancel that as well. So you can check mark it and then tap on delete my content. And once you do so, you need to type in your email address in this box right here and tap on delete my content, click on it, and your YouTube channel and all of its content will be permanently deleted. And the thing is, this action cannot be undone, so be very sure if you're trying to delete your YouTube account. And make sure to download any kind of videos or data you want to keep before deleting. So that is it for today's video. If you'd like to delete a YouTube channel, you may follow up this process. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials.